The Benchmark Research Consortium brings together the University of Chicago with other academic institutions from around the country, whether it's experts in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, ethics, policing, and policy. All of these experts are brought together underneath one roof and supported by the Joyce Foundation. The work of the Research Consortium is to understand not only what makes an officer likely to have an adverse event, it also focuses on what we can do about it. Because it's not helpful only to know that a problem might occur if we can't identify the intervention. The work of the Research Consortium helps us understand what's going on for a particular officer, as well as the specific intervention that'll help them change that behavior. If we're able to intervene sooner with the right intervention, we prevent problems from occurring. We also help that officer re-engage with the department and get back to where they want to be as a successful professional, right, that is sworn to uphold and protect the lives of individual citizens and the community at large. The work of the Research Consortium brings together all of the information with all of the experts at our disposal, sponsored by the Joyce Foundation and chaired by the University of Chicago, to understand what's going on with officers, as well as the intervention that'll help improve outcomes for those officers. The Center for Data Science at the University of Chicago involves professors who are now at Princeton, the University of Michigan, and other institutions. The work that they have been doing is really focused around how do we take data that already exists and use it to drive change and help inform outcomes, policies, and processes inside the broader public sector. That work is what helped lead to what we are doing here at Benchmark Analytics. Our first sign system is the only research-based early warning system that uses the tools and insights generated by the University of Chicago to help understand and improve outcomes within police departments. This isn't purely an academic thought exercise. We're really focused in on exactly what we can do to help drive change in practice. The reason that this matters, and places where it matters, for example, includes Charlotte. So Charlotte, North Carolina worked with the University of Chicago as part of developing a better model for early warning systems, and they're now benefiting from fewer false positives and a more accurate understanding of an officer's likelihood for an adverse event. Ultimately, this improves trust in the system and improves the way that their officers are interacting on the ground and out in the community.